Main switch machine, this is off and on, and indication the supply, right supply, green indicator, this is the right connection, otherwise wrong connection, the light off. This is single phase preventer for the right connection of the machine supply, and all relay and connector, main on off switch, main supply from this side, and this is single phase preventer, relay and connector, spindle start from here. This is forward traction, spindle off, and this is reverse traction. And this button for feed, main axis start from here, off, and feed forward, stop, neutral from here, disengage the lever, and this is this lever for up down direction and cross y axis. This is up down direction. Start from here. This is up. Machine going up, stop, and this is down. Stop, and this lever change for cross movement. Start, inside, stop, outside, out, cross movement outside, stop from here, and inside, y axis inside, y axis outside, stop, and lever neutral. This lever downside for cross movement, stop, and vertical direction. This is vertical direction, this is down position. This button for vertical movement, up direction. Stop, down direction, stop, up. This button engage, disengage. This is for inching, for inching for feed. This side continue. this button coolant off. Push button for inching. Inching for change the gear lever. You can change the speed, spindle speed. This is high speed. And this is slow speed. This is gearbox for 18 feet for XYZ movement, and this is this lever for feed and rapid. This is a feed, very slow speed, and neutral and rapid. This is for fast movement. There is for feed movement. And this lever for change the gear, change the feed rate. This is 2-speed gearbox for fast movement and slow movement. This is fast, neutral and slow. This limit switches for vertical movement. This limit switches for cross movement, and this limit switches for X movement. All machine running. This is the emergency stop. Vertical head for vertical facing and for end mill cutting. Rotary table for any type of indexing. Dividing head for cutting gears, splines, etc.